Hi, I'm Dr. Micia Mosely, the founder and director of the Black Teacher Project. Happy August. We know that for many of you, you are returning to school if you're not back already. And we hope that you will begin this year by taking time to set intentions. Intentions for yourself, for your practice, for your students, to get clear what you want from this school year, so that it's not just a year of responding to other people's needs or desires, but that you are walking toward your purpose. We know how important that is. We hope that one of your intentions will be to stay connected to other Black teachers. And one of the ways you can do that is through our member platform. There's more information about that in this newsletter. And we hope that if you are a TK through 12 Black teacher, that you will join our membership platform and really use that space to connect with other Black teachers from around the country and share about your experiences, hear about theirs, strengthen our community, because we know that we are stronger together. One of the ways that we stay together is through BTP programming, and we've got our design lab coming back up. Now, many of you know that's the space where Black teachers co-design wellness practices with their students. Applications for our design lab will open soon, so stay tuned to our social media and to our newsletters in the coming months so that you can be ready to fill out those applications should that be of interest to you. We also want to really broaden our horizons this year and increase the number of schools and districts that we partner with. So if you feel like you are inside of a system or you know of a school or a district that really wants to support the sustainability and leadership of Black teachers, let us know. Send an email to info@blackteacherproject.org so that we can follow up and see if there is a school or a district near you that we could help their efforts to make sure that Black teachers have a place to thrive and have long, healthy careers. Now, with all that's happening with BTP, we know there's so much more happening in the world. This moment itself, it is August, it is Black August, a month where there's so much in Black history. We encourage you to look it up. Look up our very own Joseph Edelin's article about Black August that we posted in years past. There's so many historical events that are important for us to know that make this such a special month for us. In addition to that, we know that there is a Black woman running for president. Now, we are part of a nonprofit, so we can't endorse any candidate, but you know what to do. That's all I'm gonna say about that. That's not all I'm gonna say. What I'm gonna tell you to do is to register to vote, to get in the game, to make sure that if you are eligible to vote, that you do what we are called to do, which is to stand on the shoulders of our ancestors. So many folks have fought and died for our ability to vote, and we want to make sure that we are taking advantage of the opportunities that we have. Some of you may have young people in your life who may have just turned of age, and now's the time to get them registered. So please, please, please make sure that you do that. Make sure that that happens, because we know how important it is to register to vote and get in the game. Thank you as always for your support of the Black Teacher Project. We are so, so, so happy to have you. Even listening to this director's note, reading this newsletter, it does so much for us and for the Black teachers that we support. We hope that everyone has a fantastic start of the new year.